The screen that wraps around that continuous screen in the 600 seat room, we actually, a young architect here had found this really interesting company in upstate New York that made a stretchable fabric that could stretch in, over a frame in multiple directions. And we did a small mock-up and it looked like it was going to work. So we bid the documents that way and we moved it to construction. And then we started to install it in its full scale application and we were getting puckers. So it wasn't working. So we had to pivot and go to a framed gypboard wall with, I don't know if this is a technical term, but this is what Ian, at the Shallot Collaborative, always called it. It's this goo paint, and it is a more reflective paint that enables a hard surface to be a projection screen. So that is the final. That's what the final is. It's actually a hard wall, metal stud framed wall with chipboard and goo. But it works. But I think, sometimes that would have been a tried and true response. But we were a bit in the mode of everything is new in this space and we are going to just push the envelope. And I think the fabric pushed it a little too far.